are made of clay, a wee gassy fella, and some rock. We robbed him 1 mile northeast to the forest on the leeward side, and...
He never could hack heights. I second that.
And what is this?
We have need the foggiest.
Oh, I can't look. You expect us to believe you went to the trouble of stealing it when you don't even know what it is?
We steal everything. We were freaks back home. Outcasts. It's how we survived.
Until now. We have to help them. Do we? Why make trouble halfway?
They're coming for us anyway.
1, 2, 3, hold!
You saved us.
Cool! Gee, thanks.
Attack! Yes, sir.
Cool.